So on the first one, if log base 13 of 4x plus 8 equals log base 13 of 5x minus 3, then we can just say that 5x minus 3 equals 4x plus 8. You can make them equal to each other. I move the 4x over. 5x minus 4x is a plain x. And then I add 3 to the other side, and that is 11. So the answer is x equals 11. On this one, if log base 17 of negative 2n plus 3 equals log base 17 of negative 4n minus 9, then negative 2n plus 3 equals negative 4n minus 9. We move the 4n, we add 4n to both sides, we get 2n, and we subtract 3 from both sides, we get negative 12. When we divide by 2 to leave the n alone, we get n equals negative 6. So here, 2n plus 10 equals 3 minus 5n. Move this 5n over here, you get 7n. Move this negative 10 over here, and you get negative 7. So n equals negative 1.